Is it quicker? Only 2, right?
Yeah, so I... trying to...
The invite's been sent. I don't know what's happening there.
Yeah, just...
I left group 2 minutes ago, but I'm still in raid. Hilarious.
This game is fucked.
I'm just gonna try my best to
It's
get a
likely
tab.
we just busted the servers, Esmail, and you probably have to halve the raid groups to even have a chance of doing this.
Yeah. I think in future, I mean, I'm not sure if anything of this scale is going to be done again, as in like of this nature.
I don't know if this is accurate, but someone is saying when you're 80, you can do it with just a 40-man group. I haven't played World K, so I don't know if that's accurate.
Yeah, that was my initial plan, was to go in with 2 raid groups, somewhat via stealth, and but then it just kind of developed from there as more people sought interest, and I figured, let's go big or go home, and
Went too big.
yeah, I didn't think this is gonna happen. Sorry. I think what's going to happen, depending upon how this plays out, we'll think of Plan B and kind of post on this Discord as to how we'll go about it, and get as many. Yeah, just.
Oh yeah, I just got disconnected.
Yeah,
Server
yeah,
just
good.
died.
Just